Hello Pioneer, welcome back again to Pi News World. Don't forget to click subscribe. Your support helps us reach more pioneers across the globe. Now, on to today's breaking story. We begin with a major announcement from the Pi Network ecosystem. Breaking news. Pi Network introduces a new stablecoin pegged at $314,159, a figure that nods to the legendary constant of mathematics. This marks a new chapter of trust and inclusion in the crypto world. From Lagos to London, pioneers connect with a tap. Simple, mobile-first design keeps participation accessible. Community remains the core of Pi's mission. Under the hood, networks sync to secure value. Let's unpack what this stablecoin means and how it could shape everyday digital transactions. Stay tuned. First, a stablecoin aims to keep its price steady. Unlike many tokens, stability reduces day-to-day swings. In Pi's ecosystem, a peg can help pricing, payroll, and planning. Here, the peg lands at a symbolic $314,159. A tribute to Pi, timeless, universal, precise. Peg credibility starts with transparent reserves and rules. Minting and burning help keep supply aligned with demand. Oracles can deliver reference values to guide stabilization. Target bands keep the market within predictable ranges. Compliance frameworks support safer, broader access. Merchants can quote prices without hourly recalculations. Freelancers invoice globally with predictable value. Remittances can be faster and potentially lower cost. Stable balances support everyday budgeting. Next, trust and inclusion. The heart of this story. Trust begins with clarity. What backs the coin and how? Regular disclosures and audits strengthen confidence. Governance defines who can trigger changes and when. Clear risk controls help maintain a stable peg over time. The peg level honors Pi, symbol of order within infinity. From chalkboards to chains, math anchors meaning. The number becomes both brand and promise. A clear anchor can reduce uncertainty and rumor. Inclusion means reaching users at the network's edge. Low data, low-fee pathways widen participation. Localization helps communities onboard in their own language. Education builds safer, smarter usage. Trust plus inclusion, the stable core for growth. Next, where this coin could be used day to day. Use cases. Coming up. QR payments can speed checkout for small businesses. E-commerce gains clear pricing and simpler refunds. Subscriptions run smoother with predictable value. Cross-border payouts settle without rate surprises. Receipts reconcile easily for accounting. Developers can integrate a stable unit into dApps. SDKs and APIs streamline wallets and checkout plugins. Sandbox testing reduces launch risk. Audits and bug bounties harden reliability. Ecosystem partnerships expand real-world utility. Protect your wallet, strong passwords, and 2FA. Verify links, avoid phishing and imposters. Use appropriate storage for your needs. Seek community support and official documentation. Up next, rollout timeline and what to watch. Rollout typically starts with test phases and audits. Early access may open to vetted users and partners. Geographic availability can roll out in stages. Watch for app updates enabling new coin features. Connectivity to services depends on integrations. Monitor peg stability within stated bands. Review reserve disclosures and attestations. Follow governance proposals that affect policy. Stay current on security advisories. Check local rules for lawful usage. Download the official app from trusted stores. Complete verification steps as required. Enable notifications and strengthen account security. Join official community channels for updates. Finally, key takeaways and what's next. Today's headline: a Pi stablecoin pegged at $314,159. Focus: trust through reserves, rules, and reporting. Goal: inclusion via mobile-first global access. Payments, payroll, commerce, remittances, and more. Watch the peg, disclosures, and integrations. A new day for pioneers everywhere. Builders keep shipping the tools communities need. Merchants welcome faster, clearer payments. Families feel the difference across borders. Education unlocks safe participation for all. This has been Pi News World, your source for Pi updates. Stay tuned for more Pi News updates. Subscribe, like, and share to support the community. I'm your host. Thanks for watching. See you in the next broadcast.